Alright, so this is the $500,000 triple play. I like this card. I won a lot of money on this card, probably, I don't know, within the last few months. $400 or $500. You really got to sit there and study the card.
Excuse me.
Do we get anything? So we got 39. No. 15. Do we get a 15? Nope. 13. No. 32. No. 30. No. But if you match your winnings, so did we match any of these? We got a 50-50. Do we have another 50? No. 500. No. 20. 20. Do we have another 20? No. 30. No. 2,000. Absolutely not. 500. No. 200. No. No. We kind of bombed on that one. Let's do it again. Let's see, what do we got? 40. 9. 29. 2. Nope, and a 4. No. Did we match any of our 3? Oh, I got 2, 1, 2, 500, 500, no. 15. 50. Did I get a 50? 50. 500. 5. 5. 100. 100. No, we didn't win anything this time. My turn. Give me the coin. I need the coin. Okay, that's the lucky coin. I look like a professional lottery ticket scratcher. Don't make me a liar. I usually win on these things, man. Let's see. So I got 8. No 8s. 3s. No 3s. 30. 23 and a 19. That would be no. 30. Oh, whoa. Oh, wait a minute. I just seen some $15 right there. 15, 15, 15. So, one something. 500 triple play. We got 15, 15, 15. We can win more. 50. 50. No, 100. 2,000, 2,000. No, no. 5, 5. No. All right, we got one more. Scratch up. Got 15 on that last one. This one's going to be good. Really a bunch of gamblers. What'd you get? Let's see. So we got 11, no. 18, no. 28, no. 32, 32, no. And 6, no. 15, 30. Got a 50, 50. Give me another 50. No. 10. No, nothing. Nothing on that one. We got, what we get? What I get? 15? Got 15. All right.